What's up, Bender?
Hey, Gary. Check this out. This is the new Motobilt seat sliders. You were mounting those PRP seats in here, and kind of wanted a better option. So this is what we come up with, and now they're going to be for sale. Adjustable width, so they'll fit pretty much any aftermarket seat. Sliders made out of 3/16 steel. Provisions for a sub belt. Driver and passenger, of course. And then check this out. Here's our rear one. So check out this bad boy. Same thing, but all the seat belt mounts. Adjustable width, so it fits all kinds of different seats. Even the center mount, sub belt. And then look at the front of that thing. It's got a molly panel. So you can put just all kinds of crap on there. Your mag light or a little hatchet. Or, whatever you want to stick on there. First aid kit, fire extinguisher. Anyway, that's pretty cool. So that is like the newest, hottest thing out. Actually should be on the website next week. Excited about those things. Check them out.